What's the word, God Squad? What's poppin', man? Yo, what's going on, man? What's up, man? I ain't hollered at y'all in a minute, man. I haven't talked to you in a minute. It's been a minute. In a minute. Say that. You gotta say it like this. Say it with me. In a minute. When you finna leave from somewhere, you say, alright, in a minute. But look, man, I still don't got a car, bro. That's what I'm finna go do now. Still passenger seat shorty right now, bro. Steering wheel over there. I'm still passenger seat shorty, man. But I'm finna go see what what's cracking at this car lot, bro. That's what I wanna know. So I'll see y'all when I get the car lot down the street. I'll get down here, man. I'm not gonna film the whole thing. But when I hop in that bitch, like camera action, let's get it. Ski back on the road, mobbing. I'm gonna see y'all in a minute. I told y'all what to say, right? In a minute, let's get it. You know what I'm saying? Nah, man. Your boy on the driver's side. I am not over that ways no more, man. It's the new whip, man. It's the new. You see the peanut butter with the wood grain, you feel me? You see that wood grain all through this, ma? You see that wood? You see that wood grain? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Y'all know I'm so happy, bro. I don't even want to be at work. But I gotta make some money, man. I done spent all my money on this car. Damn, now I gotta get some gas and all that. Oh well, I don't care. I'm having fun. Fun, motherfucker. Yeah, I got a car, mobbing through the streets like a motherfucking star.
Yeah, I got a car, mobbing through the streets like a motherfucking star.
I'm a boss. No, I'm a boss. I'm a motherfucker. Oh yeah, bro. It feel good, bro. Y'all see me take the bus. All this paperwork. Look how thick this is, bro. I had to sign everything. Sign my life away, bro. I had to sign my life away, bro. I swear to God. I had to sign my life away. Man, receipts. I can't even let y'all see this receipt, bro. I can't even let y'all see that, man. That y'all would think I'm woohoo, cuckoo. But yeah, man, I ain't gotta catch another cab. I ain't gotta ride the bus. I ain't gotta ask a nigga for a ride. I don't gotta bother wifey in the morning about no ride to work. But I'ma miss those rides with wifey, cause I love being in the car with her. So, damn, I'm gonna miss a lot of stuff, man. I'll be lonely in my car by my motherfucking self, listening to what I wanna listen to. You feel me? Don't y'all hate riding in the car, somebody bumping some whack ass music? I hate that. It's all loud. Turn that down, bro. That's not even tight. Song, it's not a good song, bro. Turn that down. Turn that down, bro. It's just too loud, bro. You don't supposed to play no Luther Vandross that loud, bro, without a good system, bro. You don't got no bows, you don't got no beats. Stop it. Let me start talking stuff about people's cars, cause I just got one. I was thankful for them rides, riding with people, man. You know what I'm saying? It's good to have good friends and shit. Man, all right. Happy in the beach. So, word on the street is y'all ain't been liking my videos, man. That's word on the street. So I got some word for you, man. Put your ass clean in the trunk. I'm putting y'all in the trunk, man. Y'all gotta go in the trunk, man. Get in there, man. I'll see y'all later, man. Y'all just don't know how to listen. Y'all just don't know. You don't know how to listen. Now stay in here. And don't be kicking and screaming. I'll be back when I get off work. Might bring you some water. But just stay here. It's a brand new car with a brand new car smell. You smell that? Just enjoy it. I gotta go. Bye. So, my lips chapped like a mug. But look. I don't know what to say. It just feels great to be driving again. It feels great. I'm mob. I had to pull over at this park right here. At this park, see the swimming pool? I had to pull over. Not on no pervert type stuff, but on some old. Damn, I left my camera in the trunk. So I had to, like, I thought about my camera just moving all around in the trunk. I should have stuck it down in there by that net thing. But I don't know what I'm talking about, man. So I'm just about to head home. I'm going home, man. I'm going home. Streets ain't for everybody. Streets ain't for everybody. Hey, I said the streets ain't for everybody. 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 This is my car, man. I got to bless it. I gotta bless it. All I got is a Swisher too. Damn, I ain't gonna bless it right now. Right now. Wait till I get. I ain't in no rush. This is my shit, ain't it? This ain't no rental. I'm about to head to the crib, y'all. So, ain't nobody behind us, mob, man. Yeah, it feel good, man. Back vlogging in the car again. Y'all saw me vlog on the bus, vlogging the cabs, vlogging other people's car. Now I'm back vlogging in my shit. My shit rolling smooth, air on good. The air is on good. I don't know what temperature setting that is. It's just called good. Watch out, little buddy, before you get hit. This nigga jogging. It's too hot to be jogging. Why people always be jogging, bro? Do you actually live? What do jogging do but mess your knees up on this concrete? You know what I'm saying? Oh, another thing. I already know I'm gonna have a problem with parking because my new house where I moved at, man, people like to try to hog the parking up and shit. So, I don't know how that's gonna work. People hogging up the parking and all that. Somebody gonna have to move, bitch! Get out the way! Welcome back, y'all, man. My bag about last night, man. I had went home and fell asleep, bro. Straight passed out. Damn, my lens. Is that my lens or is the light? I be tripping about a dirty lens. I hate a dirty lens. I hate dirty glasses. I hate dirty windshields. I hate dirty mirrors. I just hate dirt. But yeah, let's get it, man. We back on the road again, man. Let's crank. Oh, yeah. I forgot to do the blessing, man. Please, God, let this car start, man. I just got it, man. street, nothing on the backside of me. Let's get it. Man, y'all know I had to come check out my back seat, you know what I'm saying? Cause you know, sometimes the magic happens in the back seat. So I had to make sure I got that good room for the back seat. You feel me? You did. Whew, it's hot as hell in this car. Let me get my dumb ass on. Dumb ass dude. Why am I so dumb? Fuck. Damn. I need a quart of oil already, man. I need a whole quart of oil. Let me go get this oil. Come on, y'all. Let's get this oil. Slicker than oil. Oil looking at me. I'm off work and I'm glad about it. I'm outside and I ain't mad about it. Alright, let's go, man. Man, I just ate the best cheesecake ever, bro. Hold on, let me wipe y'all down. Hold on. I always gotta wipe y'all face, man. What you been doing, bro? What you been eating? That off your mouth. No homo. I'll wipe your face though. Get that off. Yeah, there you go. But look, I just ate the bombest cheesecake, bro. When I say bomb, let me show y'all. Let me show y'all this. Let me show y'all. Let me show y'all. You see that? This shit right here, nigga. This shit right here, nigga. Bomb. B-O-M. Bomb, nigga. With a bomb ass salad. Bomb ass. Hold on. Y'all don't think it's bomb, do y'all? Let me get a bite. Show y'all how bomb this is, bro. This shit bomb. You got a little bit of this crust. A little bit of that. Bam. This is the bomb. And make sure y'all like this video, man. I got that new whip, man. Like. I finally got a new car, man. Be happy for your boy. And hit that like button. Mmm. 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 Here, man, damn. I just got a bite here. Here, eat. Eat. Now you don't want it. Now you don't want it. I ain't got time to play with you, bro. I'm out. I'll see y'all next time, man. Magnifico.